Welcome to Jobs Tuition. Geometry Part 1. I. Introduction to Geometry. A. Definition of geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of spatial relationships and properties of objects. It involves the study of various shapes, sizes, positions, angles, and dimensions of objects in space. Geometry includes the study of basic concepts such as points, lines, angles, and shapes, as well as more advanced topics such as transformations, congruence and similarity, coordinate geometry, and non-Euclidean geometries. The study of geometry involves observation, visualization, and reasoning, and it helps us understand and describe the physical world around us. It is an important foundation for many mathematical concepts and has numerous applications in fields such as architecture, engineering, art, and science. B. Brief history of geometry. Geometry has a rich and fascinating history that spans thousands of years and multiple civilizations. One of the earliest recorded uses of geometry dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was used for land surveying, architecture, and the construction of pyramids. The Egyptians used basic geometric shapes such as triangles, rectangles, and circles, and they developed formulas to calculate area and volume. The ancient Greeks also made significant contributions to the development of geometry. Euclid, who lived in the 3rd century BC, wrote a famous book called Elements that laid out the foundations of geometry as we know it today. He developed a rigorous system of proofs and axioms, and his work was studied for centuries. During the Islamic Golden Age, which lasted from the 8th to the 13th century, mathematicians such as Al-Khwarizmi, Al-Mahani, and Al-Haytham made significant contributions to the study of geometry. They built on the work of the Greeks and developed new techniques for solving geometric problems. In the 17th century, French mathematician René Descartes developed the concept of analytic geometry, which allowed geometric problems to be solved using algebraic equations. This was a major breakthrough and led to many new developments in the field of geometry. Today, geometry continues to be an important area of study and research, with applications in fields such as physics, engineering, computer graphics, and more. It is a fascinating subject with a rich history and many practical applications. C. Importance of geometry in math and real life. Geometry is important in both mathematics and real life because it provides a way to describe, understand, and analyze the physical world around us. Here are some of the ways that geometry is important. Mathematics. Geometry is an essential part of mathematics and provides the foundation for many mathematical concepts. It teaches us how to think logically, solve problems, and develop critical thinking skills. It is also used in many other areas of mathematics, such as calculus, algebra, and trigonometry. Architecture and engineering. Geometry is essential in architecture and engineering, as it helps to design and construct buildings, bridges, and other structures. Architects use geometric principles to create pleasing and functional designs, while engineers use geometry to calculate the strength and stability of structures. Art and design. Geometry is an important element in art and design, as it provides a way to create visual balance, harmony, and proportion. Artists use geometric shapes and patterns to create interesting and aesthetically pleasing compositions. Navigation. Geometry is used in navigation to calculate distances, angles, and coordinates. This is essential for pilots, sailors, and other navigators who need to accurately determine their position and course. Science. Geometry is used in many areas of science, such as physics, chemistry, and biology. For example, scientists use geometry to study the structure of molecules, the behavior of light, and the movement of particles. In summary, geometry is an important subject that has numerous applications in mathematics, science, engineering, art, and real-life situations. It provides a way to describe and understand the physical world around us and is an essential part of our daily lives.